Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will try to discuss a very important topic, mainly how we can easily detect the illegal logging in Laos. So basically, for this time, it's very important issue for the Laos, and there's a lot of cause to behind of the illegal logging detection in the Laos. So basically, here you can see about that. There already we can get this type of things in year of 2023. So basically, illegal logging in Laos hinders the government's forestation goals, and due to the illegal logging, and there a lot of deforestation occurred. And according to the global forest was year of 2001 to 2021, Laos lost nearly 21% tree cover. Okay, so it's very important about that. And today's session I will try to discuss about that, how we can easily use the Google Earth engine and detect this type of illegal login region. Okay, and further we also try to calculate about that illegal login region in the Laos. Okay, so let's go. I will try to explain all of those things one by one. So I hope after completing this tutorial you can easily identify about that illegal logging region in the Laos. So basically it's very important now for that time for this region. So according to this you can see about that. Okay, so now let's go about that. We try to find out that how we can easily find out that illegal logging detection in Laos for the different time period. So for that, you can say I already make this type of things, and here we can find out that this type of red color identify about that your significant change. Basically, this type of things is a significant change of that illegal logging. We find out that this type of places, okay, and it's the significant change between that pre and post. So how I can create this type of things, I will explain one by one. So first of all, for creating these things, we have to take this Sentinel-1 star data. So here you can see I just take this type of things. First of all, I try to make that before logging. So I take a time period and select this, take the Sentinel-1 satellite imagery for before logging. Okay, so we can get this type of imagery about that before logging condition. And after that, we create the another, it's called the after logging. We can get this type of things. Okay, this type of imagery we can get after logging. And further we try to calculate about the difference between these two things, after and before. We can get this type of changing area between these two time periods. So here you can see this type of things identify about that change region or illegal logging. We can easily find out from here. And further we try to apply a thresholding technique, and further we try to identify about that significant change of the illegal logging detection. We can find out that this type of region show for that significant change of illegal logging. And from here we also try to calculate the area. So basically here you can see we find out that total 30,906.93 square kilometer area. We find out that this type of significant change between pre and post condition. We find out this type of things. Okay. So here you can see how I can create this type of things. So first of all, we try to import the image collection. Basically, in this time I use here the Sentinel-1 star data. So just I put here this time period. Okay, and from this time period, I take the two things. One is that after logging, another is the before logging. Okay, I just calculated after logging and before logging. And then further, I try to remove all of the stickle from this Sentinel-1 star data, and then we try to create this type of composite, median composite. From this median composite we try to calculate about that before logging and after logging. These two composite we created before logging and after logging. Further we try to create the difference between these two things, and from this difference we try to calculate about that significant change. So basically we find out this type of red color identify about the significant change between the two time period. And this type of things we find out that it's loss of vegetation loss or tree cover loss. There's a lot of tree cover loss. Okay, so it's this type of things we can easily identify. It's that illegal logging detection, and that's why this type of region lost their vegetation or tree canopy it lost from here. So this is the process about that. Okay, and further we also try to calculate the area, how much illegal logging area we find out from here. We calculate these things. Okay, so basically this is the process about that. Using the Sentinel-1 SAR data, we can easily create this type of things. Okay, and in the meantime, I also give you the announcement for our upcoming online training program. So basically, our new best training program will be start from that 19 July. And if you are interested to join this online training program, you can easily check all of details from this website. So I already added the this website link in the video description. Simply check it. And further, if you want to join this upcoming online training program, simply contact in this WhatsApp number, as well as you can also contact with this email. Okay. And basically, I already added all of those things in the video description. You can simply check it and you can get all of details about this online training program. So basically in this online training program, we are focusing for the beginners who don't have any knowledge about the coding, mainly Python, JavaScript, or who don't have any knowledge about the remote sensing. So after completing the total 7 days online training program, you are able to do any types of remote sensing analysis very quickly and efficiently using the Google Earth Engine platform. So here you can see the full course content, basically first day, second day, third day, and I already added all of those things in the video description, as well as you can also go to this website and simply check all of details. And when you join this online training program, you can get some benefits, such as you can get the course certificate after submitting all of assignment. You can get that all of materials, mainly slide, PDF, as well as you can also get about the practice code. And you can also get the recorded class. Suppose if you miss any live training session, then you can easily cover using the recorded class. And you also get the lifetime teaching support. It's very important because as a beginners, when you want to learn the Google Earth Teaching platform, you face a lot of problem. So that's the reason you will also provide that lifetime teaching support. So when you face any problem, you're getting any issue after completing the total 7 days online training program, you can easily get the support. So if you are interested to join this online training program, simply contact in this WhatsApp number, as well as contact with this email, and then further book your seat and join our upcoming online training program. This will be start from that 19 July. So today is no more. Thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.